All right, y'all. I'm gonna stop recording because I'm not really getting that much footage. But I wanted to say that I put this hat on because that sun was beaming. Now it's kind of going down. I don't even know what time it is, y'all. But I know I've been out here grinding, getting this wood, and I found some that is really, really a lot on the dry side. So I shifted gears from over there and came over this way. And this stuff is worth it because most of it is already dry. So I'm cutting in here. It's a piece of shagbark hickory right there. That big birch log, I'm gonna have to wait until I get my 24-inch bar to even attempt to cut that. I'm pretty sure the 562 can cut it. But I'm waiting on that, and I called them today. They said the guy's working on it, but we don't have no details or whatever. So, I mean, and that's money. Like, you got to spend money to make money. But I'm making some money right now. This wood right here is my product that I deliver and sell. So, business is business. I got to get it. I got 4 orders spoken for in September. Make that 5 because a guy from up in Silver Spring, Maryland just called me today. He said, I want another load around the first week of September. That's Labor Day. Everybody know that. So I should have charged him $300. But that's okay. I didn't do that. I want to keep the customers that I got. Like I got a guy down in Short Pump. He usually buy from me every year, but I think he skipped last year. I don't know if he wasn't happy with the wood or what, but I think I got his phone number on my phone. I'm gonna call him up. But yeah, I've been out here. I've been kind of piecing it together here today, y'all. Just trying to get something done. And I can see green on the other side of this pile right here. And so I want to try to get in here one of these ways, and I'm gonna do it before I leave here and put this wood on this trailer. Once I get it on the trailer, it's done for. Because once it's on there, it don't, it takes the, excuse me, it takes the physical labor to get it on there. But it takes a push of, I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know if I'm allergic to this grass or the wood. I don't know. But I love being out here, I'll tell you that much. But anyway, I'm going to get ready to start back up. And I got my digital camera over there. It's just on the scene, but I'm going to try to cut through some of this stuff and get a hole in here so that I can work a little better. It's easier to work when you ain't got nothing to climb on. And it's a hole in there that I can go around in a circle and work my way out once I get in there. But the thing is getting in there. So I'm gonna cut this birch log up right here and all these little hickory logs. And I think that's some dry maple up there. I'm gonna get that. And some more birch over here. And then we're gonna call it a day. So that's another little update. This video is only 4 or 5 minutes. It's not a short, but I'm just gonna leave it running while I cut a little bit so I can give y'all some footage. I'm gonna try to get up there on that top part and cut some of that. I got my little ramp stick too. got something in my diagram. Got it like I used to have it. I used to want to do this stuff. But I don't know. But that's okay. That's okay. I'm still doing what I do. I must be cutting a lot of wood. And that's good. Because now I gotta fuel up again and keep track of how many damn tanks of gas I use through this thing. This will be 4. turn across so I can get this sticker in my eye. I think I got it, y'all. Now I gotta fill this damn thing back up again. It's burning. It's burning a lot of gas, and I guess I'm using it a lot to do what I gotta do. But it sure is burning a lot of gas, y'all. That's all right. Getting what I gotta get done. They make gas. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna cut this video off because y'all got a lot of me sitting around today. But just wanted to say thank y'all for watching me cut. And this Echo burns a lot of gas, y'all. Here's my thumbnail. Here's my thumbnail. Gas. Alright. Anyway, that's it, y'all. I'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Once I load the trailer, I'll come back. But there's no more video on today. Love y'all. Peace out. This is Curtis. I'm outside.